Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? If you can't hear me, please turn up the volume. My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Okay. Now, first of all, I want to say hello to all my subscribers, new and existing. All right. I ask you if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right. And without a doubt, if you want to, you can subscribe and I like your comments. All right, so let's do this. Now, first of all, I've shopped off of Sheen before, and there's no big deal. I really enjoy shopping off of Sheen. You know what I'm saying? And usually when I do that, I don't get a lot of major stuff. I get the small stuff, like if I need a HDMI cable or antenna, little small things. I don't go big on Sheen or even on Tumu. Um, I did once and I learned my lesson. So I want to show y'all something. Well, I want to show y'all some headphones. Okay, I was like, y'all see that? hmm Sheen had headphones on sale at discount. Now, if you don't know me, I have a cat named Caesar. Caesar eats up my headphones, so I usually have to buy new ones. So I was like, for $6, that'd be a great backup headphone, right? So that's what I did. I got a good backup headphone. Sure did. And when I got it, I was like, what the heck is this? This little box. Okay. And if you see it, it didn't have where it says kids headphone on it at all. And let me tell you to the front, it didn't have any of that. That logo right there, nope, it didn't have any of that. So if they don't fit, basically, I'm gonna give it to Salvation Army, like I usually do. A lot of stuff, good condition. I don't use it more, whether it's tech or clothes or whatever. I give it to the thrift store that I already vetted myself. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. See what these things look like. And they do come with a microphone. It's good for 3 years old, 3 years old and up. So it's not too bad. Hmm. Now, here's the volume and the mic all in one. Now, I know y'all saying that was loud, but I wanted something loud like this. That's why I picked them. They actually fit. Hey, $6, not bad, huh? Padded ear. You go. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. And it comes with a mic, volume control. You can mute it. $6 off the sheet. Not too bad for a backup pair. All right. And that's my review. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll wrap to you later. Peace.